What is elasticity? This is your first topic in physics. Elasticity is the simple nature of any body, like as large spring, and long rods. So first we describe what is deforming force. This is the part of elasticity. Deforming force is a such type of force which is change shape and size of body. If we apply force on the body, if body change their shape and size, then such type of applied force is known as deforming force. Deforming force is a simple force, but when it applied on the body, it easily change shape and size of body. When we applied a deforming force on the spring, then it increase the length of spring, otherwise decrease the length of spring. And other topic is strain. When deforming force applied on the body, then rational change in the body is known as strain. When deforming force applied on the body change their length, volume and shape. If this type of change work as a rational part, then rational change in the body is known as strain. It is a very simple definition. Strain, only two lines. When we apply deforming force on the body, the rational change in the body is known as strain. There are three types of rational changes in the length, volume and angular. So that there are three types of strain: linear strain, volume strain, shearing strain. Linear strain, when we apply deforming force on the long string, then rational change in the length of string is known as linear strain. If initial length of string is capital L and increase in length is delta L, then linear strain is given as delta L upon L. In simple word, strain is always a simple ratio, so it has no unit. Delta L upon L, it also have unit meter, it also have unit meter, both are cancelled to each other, so that linear strain, volume strain, shearing strain have no units, and we also can say it is a unitless quantity. Next topic आपका estimate volume strain. When we apply deforming force on the body, the rational change in the volume of body is known as volume strain. Last one, shearing strain. When we apply a deforming force on the body, angular change in the initial position of body is known as shearing strain. Such as a cubical box, if we apply a tangential force, then an angular change in the shape of body, that is called a shearing strain. It is the only angular change, so it is given as theta. Clear? And next topic is stress. What is stress? When we apply force on the body, the interreaction force applied per unit area is known as stress. Simple wording. When we applied deforming force, otherwise when we applied force on the body, then produced interreaction force per unit area is known as stress. Simple stress force upon area. It is also three types: longitudinal stress, normal stress, tangential stress. When we applied force in the length direction, in the direction of length, then produced stress is called longitudinal stress. When we applied normal force, then produced stress is called normal stress. It is also denoted by T. Tangential stress, when we applied force on the tangential line of body. When we applied force on the tangential line of body, then produced stress is known as tangential stress. It also has F upon A, same as longitudinal stress. So there are three types of stress, three types of strain: Three type of strain: linear strain, volume strain, shearing strain. Three type of stress: shearing strain, longitudinal stress, normal stress, and tangent stress. And last, we study elasticity. What is elasticity? When we apply force on the body, every body oppose to applied force. That is called elasticity. The opposing phenomena of applied force is known as elasticity. Very simple wording of elasticity. The opposing phenomena of applied force is called elasticity. So as we complete a whole topic to you, that remaining part I describe in next day. Thank you for today.